Welcome back, it's Roman from Kid Pro Fitness. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I treated one of the injuries I had in the marked area on the back of my neck. This particular injury really hurt when I need to lift something, did the running motion, I was jumping up and down like this. The first rehab exercise was grabbing one of my wrists, putting my arms out, and pushing up my shoulders as far as they go so I feel a stretch in my shoulder blades. You're going to hold this for 30 seconds and repeat it 5 times. For the next rehab exercise, you're going to put your arm behind your back like this, grab onto your head, and pull your head down super gently so you feel the stretch right here. You're going to do this on both sides for 30 seconds and repeat it 5 times. For this next rehab exercise, you're going to want to find a door frame and rest these parts of your arms on the door frame like this. Then you're going to want to step forward, and then your arm's going to go back, and you're going to feel the stretch right here. On the side view, it would look like this. You step forward, and your arms are going to go back like that, so you feel the stretch right here. You're going to do this for 30 seconds and repeat it 5 times. Following the stretches, we're going to want to relax our neck. To do this, you need a pole or doorknobs. You're going to overlap your hands if you have a pole. Put your butt out, bend your knees, make your butt heavy, and just let your head hang as far down as it could go. So you're going to do this for 30 seconds and repeat it 5 times. So these are the exercises that I did to help me get rid of my neck injury. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe. See you next time. Bye.